Hello, my name is Stefan Vogel, and my team just released the Agri-Commodity Market Research Outlook for 2019. But that's not the only thing that went out. Justin?
I'm Justin Sherrard. Yes, the animal protein team has also released its global outlook for 2019, and we're here today to talk a little bit about what's in both of these major pieces of research. Stefan, lead us off. What are the main points that you see happening in agri-commodity markets in 2019?
I think the big topic is still the trade war between the United States and China. We see that since the US is facing the issue that China has introduced 25% duties on its soybean imports out of the US, that they're out of the market. So right now, things are getting very tight in China, also tight in Brazil because they are the key suppliers into the Chinese market for soybeans. But in the United States, we see soybean inventories increasing. And that's a concern because the farmer next year then needs to adjust the acreage, shift acreage out of the soybeans and into the corn market. I think that's a big topic, not only for our market, but also the trade war is important for you. But besides that, I also hear a lot about diseases. So I'm happy to hear your thoughts on that topic.
Sure. I'd say in animal protein, same, but different. Same in the US, we're going to see cheaper feed or more available feed will boost production. In Brazil, a little bit more complicated because you've got local currency issues, which mean that local feed might be more expensive. But in China, we've got the double whammy of not only tighter feed markets, more expensive feed, but we also have African swine fever, which is impacting production and is going to draw in more trade, more imports, particularly of pork in 2019. Lots of complexities there around animal protein, but lots to be talking about, lots to think about. Stefan, what's top of mind for agri-commodity markets and companies dealing in those markets for next year?
I think you basically need to form an opinion, will the trade war stay or not? But you need to hedge your bets on that. I mean, if we see that trade war go away very quickly, which we may doubt, but if it happens, I think the soybean market will have a very quick rise in terms of prices in the US, but has a negative impact in terms of pricing and the demand for South American and also Chinese market. So I think that's a big topic on this side. Animal protein, if you're a company in that market, what else can you do?
Well, you're going to see growth continuing next year, but the rate of growth is going to slow down in response to these uncertainties around biosecurity, African swine fever, higher feed prices, and also the uncertainties around trade as well. So you've got to find a way to look through that uncertainty. In the domestic market, you've got to focus more on innovation, more value adding. In the export market, you've got to find a way to strengthen relationships and continue to get access into the markets which still want to be part of the trade process. And so that's really what we're talking about and plenty more in the outlook for next year.
Thank you. Then I'll invite all of you to have a look on our website and look for the reports on the ATV Outlook, but also for the ACMR Outlook. And always happy to discuss with our clients. So if you have a question, reach out to your representative of Rabobank and we're going to get in touch.